started my snowboarding in Japan, Shikogan. I have no idea of age and anything. It's a lot of falling and falling and falling and just cruise on a flat land. Then I went to France, Alger. Beautiful, beautiful place. I haven't started surf skating yet. All I use is the knowledge from surfing, and to keep your balance on the board. But it's not the same at all because there's no fin at the back. I started my surf skates and also get to learn a little bit about the edge. And I feel more confidence, because the grip is there, especially when I go higher speed. Actually, the edge will give you the confidence of the bike. It's quite nice. That year I started the skateboard, but just started, so I can't handle a lot of slope yet. But it's already a lot of fun of playing with the S carving. I try some steeper slope as well, but it's not. How's it called, the intensity and also the force is very different. But I think I will get used to it if you give me another 1 or 2 years. Now I've been playing a lot of bowl. I really eager to see how is it different if I go to all those slopes again. The last trips will be in Japan as well, in Lawa Onsen. And the last day is the full powder. That's my first powder day. And it's so fun. I don't have to worry about falling. Again, it's a bit different, but started to get used to it. And when I come back, well, everybody know it is locked down. So let's see how.